Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna jump right in so this video isn't too long. We're gonna go ahead and address this big ass boob on my forehead. Kind of woke up with it and it is really killing me not to pick at it. But anyways, I'm just gonna focus on two products today. I'm not gonna be really doing much with my face. The two products are in LA Colors Radiant Skin Nourishing Longwear Liquid Makeup Foundation. This is a LA Colors Conceal It Cover and Correct Concealer in the shade Peach. That's what they look like. So as you can see, I literally got this on clearance from Family Dollar for $1, and I think this one I got for like $2 or $3. It came sealed. I just took the packaging off of it already, and the orange sticker was on the packaging. So I was in Family Dollar trying to get some waters or diapers or something, I can't remember. And I just was browsing through the store and I came across their clearance section, and I saw that they had makeup and they had some really good stuff in there. They had Maybelline stuff in there and whatever. And I saw these, and I don't really use this brand that much, so I figured it'd be really awesome to try it out. I don't know if this color is gonna match me. It was either between this one or another one, but this one had more of a yellow tint, which I feel is me, so I went with this one. I've always wanted to try Peach Corrector. Never used one in my life, so I hope it turns out okay. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, this should be fun. Let's get started. There's no directions on here. Pretty sure this is just to cover up any darkness. So I'm just gonna maybe use it around my mouth a little bit and then my under eyes and go from there. This is what it looks like. Pray for my face, y'all. Don't come at me. I know I have to wash my beauty blender. I'll get to it eventually. Okay, so first impressions, I definitely look like Peachy. This is very ballsy of me because my allergies have been really bad, and I've been scratching and itching my eyes, rubbing them really hard. And so I'm kind of a little raw on my lash lines because that's just where it itches the most. I'm literally praying this doesn't make my skin freak out. There's the Corrector. I feel like it didn't take the darkness away, but I feel like it kind of evened out my skin. I don't know. I go in with the foundation. I got the color Light Tan. It says it right there. Literally, this looks so weird. In person, it legit looks yellow and orange at the same time. Are you kidding me? Is that not a weird color? Okay. What else?
Oh my gosh. No, this smell?
I'm not even gonna bother taking this foundation seriously because I can already tell I don't like it. It definitely has oxidized. As soon as I apply it, it's really yellow, and then the more it's setting on my face, it legit looks orange. Wow, this is hideous. I don't even know what to say. I'm just gonna go with a concealer. On one side, I'm gonna use a light coverage concealer, and then on this side, I will use a full coverage concealer and go from there. This is probably the most natural like skin like concealer I've come across. Let me go in with the full coverage on this side. I honestly don't know if like correctors are a gimmick or not. I honestly still feel like I see dark area, like dark spots with both concealers on. My face feels and looks so gross. I don't even want to finish this video. We're just gonna get this over with. I'm gonna finish my face real quick and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am all done. I think this looks horrible. I'm about to take y'all into maybe some better lighting and see if y'all could see it better. I don't think it's coming off on the camera as bad as it is in person. So right now, this looks orange on me. Like, can you see like the difference? Now I feel like if you were darker than me and like you have to use a darker shade, I feel like these would look really, really orange. And that was like, it's not gonna be cute. But let me just see if I can take you on to better lighting and show y'all like what I'm talking about. Okay, just real quick, here's a swatch of it like settled on my skin. There's the pump, don't mind the orange stain, that's the peach corrector. As you can see, the fresh like pump right there is pretty yellow, and then I feel like this one right there is a little orange, so it definitely kind of oxidizes, or like, I don't know, it just looks weird. Okay, so I'm up close and personal to try and show y'all the foundation. Honestly, on camera, it doesn't look bad right now, but I do feel like I have like a really thin layer of paint on my face. Like, this was literally $3. Sorry, I'm like filming this way because I don't want y'all to see like this thing on my face. This is the foundation and this is my skin. Now, I am pretty pale and this color is still really not that bad compared to this, but like, I don't know, I still feel like I look kind of orange. Like, it doesn't look that bad, but like, look at on my hand. Like, look at the pump on my hand and tell me it's not starting to look like really orange. I don't know. I mean, for $3, maybe, like, if you know it's gonna oxidize, maybe go for a color that looks a little bit lighter than your natural skin color, like in the bottle, because then once you apply it, you'll know it's gonna oxidize a little bit, like once it's settling on your face. And if you don't mind like a weird like paint smell, then go for it. I mean, I hate to be like, ew, this is like the worst thing ever, like whatever. It's just like, it's not the worst thing I've ever put on my face, but it's not the best. So, I mean, it just depends on how picky you are. Like, I have some foundations that I don't mind about the smell because I think it looks great. Same thing with concealers. But because this has a weird smell, because I don't like how it feels on my face, and because I don't really like how it looks on my face, I definitely would not repurchase this for $3. I think there are like $5 foundations that are way, way, way better than this. It just makes more sense to spend like $2 more if you're trying to be like on a budget. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. And then I'm kind of wondering like why this is on clearance. I mean, it was sealed, so like I don't really know the story. Oh, the corrector. Honestly, oh no, I got it in my hair. Okay, I'll wipe it off in a second. Honestly, I feel like I didn't even put it on. I feel like my eyes just kind of look the same like when I don't use it, and that's my first time using it. Maybe I didn't use it wrong. Maybe I didn't use it right, so I don't know. It was $1 though, so I wanted to try the peach corrector. It was $1 and I just tried it. If you want to try it, it might work for you. Sorry, I have like hiccup slash burps. It might work for you, but I mean, it's $1, so I guess it can't hurt to try it if you've been wanting to try it. But this foundation, it's just like a no for me. Yeah, now I just really hope that my face doesn't break out. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also, if you click like the bell, it notifies you right away when I post a video, like a notification. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Sorry, I keep like cutting my face off. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great one, and I will see you next time. Bye.